Hey everybody, it's John Bucher, Senior Inspection Specialist with Lifetime Quality Roofing. I'm out here at the property of one of my clients, Letitia McGuff. We recently replaced her roof using the insurance process, and just wanted to ask her a couple quick questions about what that process was like for Letitia. So Letitia, what's the process been like working with Lifetime Quality Roofing?
Yes, John, you've been so patient. We've had a lot of clarity, gave me great understanding with what the process was going to be like to install our roof, allowed it to be easy and simple and carefree.
Awesome. Well, I'm glad to be able to help you with that. How much did Lifetime save you in this process by working through the insurance company?
Yeah, so we saved over $20,000, and it is so nice to be able to save that at any time, and especially at these times, and to get a really beautiful upgrade to our home and save so much money.
Awesome. Yeah, saving money is what we like to do. I work with the insurance claims process. We were able to help Letitia out with that. And would you recommend Lifetime Quality Roofing to your friends and family, or what would you do moving forward if anybody came to you about any roofing needs?
Yeah, John, I would totally recommend Lifetime Roofing. Your grace, the company's care, your presence, your ease in communication, answering our questions really made me feel some peace about our process and feel good about what we have. And we have an amazing product with, amazing service. So I would totally recommend Lifetime Roofing. Thank you.
Fantastic. And what do you think about your new roof? I know we went with a designer series shingle up there, as you can see. It's the Owens Corning Duration Designer Series in the Sedonia Canyon. What do you think about that up on your roof compared to the old one, how it looks?
It's beautiful. Like I said, it's an upgrade. We were able to save money, and we feel like it really helps the curb appeal of our house, so we're really thankful and satisfied.
Awesome. Well, it's been a pleasure working with you, helping you through this process. If you haven't had your roof looked at, give us a call. We'd love to be able to offer you a free 17-point inspection to see if you might potentially qualify for an insurance paid for replacement, just like Letitia did here. So we look forward to talking to you soon. Thanks.